We paid $145 for this gaming PC, and we think we can make it even better.
For 145 bucks, we got a 2200G, 16 gigs of RAM, a nice B450 motherboard, and all in all, a good canvas for a really awesome gaming PC. We're gonna test it as is, and then show you guys how to upgrade it after a word from today's sponsor.
Cold turkey may be great on sandwiches, but there's a better way to break your bad habits. I'm not talking some juice cleanse or online video course that your old high school friends insist you do on your Instagram DMs. I'm talking about today's sponsor, Fume. Not everything in a bad habit is wrong, so instead of taking drastic, uncomfortable measures, why not just remove the bad from your habit? Fume is an innovative, award-winning flavored air device that does just that. Instead of vapor, it's just flavored air. And instead of harmful chemicals, Fume uses all natural flavors. Instead of being bad, Fume is good. It's a habit you're free to enjoy and makes replacing bad habits easy. Fume comes with an adjustable dial and is designed with movable parts and magnets for fidgeting, giving you something to do for de-stressing while breaking your bad habit. The base was launched in January. It's a weighted stand to rest your Fume on when not in use. The base can also be used for fidgeting, and it's super satisfying. As someone who occasionally partakes in the guilty habits, I was shocked at how effective Fume was at delivering that same feeling. Join Fume in accelerating humanity's breakup with destructive habits by picking up the Journey Pack today. Head to tryfume.com/ToastyBros or scan the QR code and use code ToastyBros to get 10% off when you get the Journey Pack today. That's tryfum.com and use code ToastyBros to save an additional 10% off on your order today. Now let's get back to our video, shall we?
So this PC right here was one we found on eBay, which again, this is another great example of if you are an avid deal hunter and you check on eBay every so often, you can find gems like this. This is a PC with some new hardware in it, DDR4 memory, 2200G, a B450 motherboard, which heck, AMD is still releasing new CPUs for this socket. Yeah, for $145, as long as everything works, I think we got a steal.
And I think, so we do have a label here, so it got shipped in this, I assume?
Yes.
So, a little risky.
A little risky
Respect.
for a well, the case that didn't came with the box, so I'm assuming somebody upgraded.
I'm almost thinking maybe someone had, like, yeah, they upgraded and had some extra parts, and they're like, I'm gonna make a PC with it and then just sell it, you know, because I'm not gonna use these.
I think this is the classic FBM or whatever Roswell case that we know and love.
Been through it.
Oh, it looks like it's been through it. It does not have, barely has feet left.
It's like nubs.
It has nubs left.
Oh, that's interesting. Yeah, it definitely is like a used case, but like they never even took off like the peel.
Huh, interesting.
But,
yeah, it's Roswell.
Yeah, it has the peel, okay. So this is like, I wonder if this is the pre-installed power supply too. That almost looks like it could be.
It's supposed to be...
something aftermarket.
Yeah, what is this?
Oh, it's an EVGA.
Yeah, it's an EVGA. Well, they said thermal take at first, so I guess we got an EVGA 500 BT, which I honestly would like better, to be honest.
Yeah, opposed to like one of those 80 plus white power supplies. It has black sleeve cables, so that's good. The case itself, good shape. This is a very classic case. I think this one has like the little blue LED around it.
A little rough around the edges, but I mean, again, we're paying $145 for this build overall. I think the specs are what really make this good. The 2200G, that B450 motherboard, 16 gigs of, was it dual channel memory? We got
Yes.
2 sticks, and then the SSD and everything, so.
Which that's really how you get a look at it, is like a B450, 80 bucks. The 2200G, I imagine even on eBay are still $60 to $80.
Already over the value of the PC.
Yeah,
and,
the case,
yeah.
30 bucks. I mean, this 500 watt, another 35, 40 bucks. Dual channel RAM, another $30 to $40. I hope McAllister's like on screen, like adding this up. If he's not, shame on McAllister. And then what size SSD do we have?
That's a good question. 500 gigabyte SSD. Oh, we got a little bit of cleaning we need to do. What is that? What in the dust, bunny?
There's a cat back there. It is a Crucial. Wow, I was able to tell just by the color of the drive.
I'm wondering if this guy either had an issue with the power supply or has multiple of these, because this was the original picture. That's a Thermaltake Smart 500 watt power supply.
Maybe multiple.
So maybe multiples of these, and they had like the motherboard, CPU, and RAM, but everything else is the same though, so I don't know. But yeah, I guess we'll verify it's a 500 gig SSD, but that's what they say it is.
Cable management, I mean, you guys saw, it's like, it's not managed, I mean, but there's really not much to it. They at least ran the cables how we would. They're not all like in the front. So I mean, whoever built this kind of knew what they were doing. Yeah, no, I'm pretty excited because this is definitely it's a very nice like blank canvas just to do a lot of different things. You could just only throw a graphics card, like a 1650, a new 3056 gig. That'd be a good one for this.
That would be a good one. So we're going to run some games as is, show you guys what this thing is capable of with the 2200G. You'll probably see it on screen here or in another clip on the video, but then we'll clean it up. We'll do some upgrades. We'll show you guys the upgrades because I think they're going to work out pretty well. And I'm very excited to see how this thing's going to turn out after all those upgrades.
All right, guys, we are playing the finals, and we are now on our new and improved system. We got a actual good 6-core 12 thread with a obviously 1660 graphics card.
And yeah, all in all, we're about like $289 in, and getting 100 FPS and 1080p in a new game like this, albeit we are on low settings, native resolution, still very impressive.
And this looks like a Roblox map. And the cool part is we can actually reuse the 2200G. We could sell it. We could make a cool little home theater PC with it. There's a lot of options.
So yeah, sometimes being patient on eBay and looking regularly, you can find some good deals like this if you're really trying to cash in on a PC that's already built.
Oh yeah.
Wait, is this Chicago? Oh, the shot is hitting today. Oh my God. Yes.
Oh God, maybe. In fact, everything.
Oh, the shots are now missing. The recovery?
Oh God.
This is it. One shot, yes! The recovery.
It didn't even damage. Oh, it took him through the floor. I guess that works. Okay. Really? I thought it would not blow up.
Nope.
Oh, I'm gonna die here.
Oh, the jukes. Stop it.
Oh,
Stop.
that was my own poison.
Oh no, eliminated
first
itself. A good little tease for an upcoming video as well, just to reiterate this whole buying on eBay stuff. We just found a pre-built with a 2070 and an 7th Gen i9 for $300 on eBay. Like, you just find these PCs, they're just there.
Some freaky ones too, 7th Gen i9.
Freaky ones. Oh!
Orange.
They can't get that.
No, dude, they
messed up. They messed
just
up.
won, baby.
Let's go.
Yeah, that was definitely a worthy upgrade because we got a dub in the finals, guys, and that ain't easy to do these days.
Play some Fortnite. All right, guys, we are now in good old Fortnite with the upgrade, a limited frame rate, performance setting, far ranges, and slow textures. Ideally, DX11 would be better for this configuration, but I want to keep things apples to apples versus the 2200G, so we're just going to keep the same settings this go around, but we're definitely getting an improvement. I'm trying to find the volume here so I can actually hear things. Definitely an improvement, and I think this is a game that would be ideal for this configuration, but as you can see, you can stretch into the finals or other higher-end esports titles at low, medium settings, 1080p with this PC, and considering we paid $289 in total for this entire computer, you can't complain about that. Yeah, getting 100 FPS, pretty smooth. Oh, I got 3 people on me? Got 1. Oh, I need to get out of here. Oh! Oh, come on, that guy's gonna take that kill, isn't he? All right, got him. My kill? Oh, heck. I hit all the bots there, apparently. Wow, I went from nobody to 4 kills. Shout out Fortnite. Ah, who are you? Oh! I really popped out with my sniper and said no scope. Enemies. No! Oh! That's where I die. Yep. Ah! I've been lasered. But hey, you know what? Fortnite. 100 plus FPS, 144 most of the time. I'm excited to see what that 30 more time spy score looks like, so we're going to run that, and then we'll compare it to the sub 1,000 score we got before, but I think these are some really worthy upgrades. Let's test that and wrap this video up real quick.
All right, guys, well, we're into this build pretty cheap, in all honesty, under $300, and we are able to now play your esports titles and your AAAs at lower settings, of course, but we can get some high refresh rates here and there.
And to easily compare the upgrade we had from the 2200G to what we have right now, the 1660 Super and 2600, we ran 3D Mark Time Spy again and got a score of 5,906, which is a 5 cent per point score compared to the 980 score that we got before. It was not great. So all in all, this PC after the upgrades, really good bang for the buck, and it is another good example we'd like to show you guys of patient deal hunting on places like eBay and local markets. You can find some really good deals to get into PC gaming, sometimes cheaper than building yourself by finding these pre-built deals. So if you want to hunt on eBay yourself, check those links in the description down below. They will be affiliate links. They will help us out. Let us know what you think of this PC down below, and let us know any other finds you guys have found when hunting around on eBay.
And as always, we hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, check out our other 2 YouTube channels and also our twitch.tv/ToastyBros, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.
This PC right here will be for sale at PCBros.tech at a great price with a 1-year warranty.
And we're gonna be selling it to you guys again at a great price, and you can browse our inventory of all the other PCs we have to offer. We have some high-end builds, more budget builds, and if you use code ToastyBros2 on checkout, you can save 2% of your next purchase. See you guys later. Goodbye.
Peace out.